Okay, so to introduce everybody first, before we start explaining our webpage, I'd like to introduce Malachi, Danny, Eric, Joel, Ryan, Sebastian, and Tingui. And all of us came together to create this project. So at
And
first,
Carlos too.
And myself, Carlos, correct. So at first, what we're looking at here is the landing page. So as you can see, we drafted up a couple mocks. We came to the conclusion of how the landing page may look, and this is what we came up with. So if we can scroll down, Malachi. As you can see the categories, the different jobs available. If we can keep scrolling down, and you can see recent jobs and just the front end aspect of it. And if we can click and apply, it redirects us to the register page, which is really important where we need to differentiate between job seeker and company owner. So right now we're gonna register as a job seeker, and we're gonna create our username. As you can see, we have a login, and we're able to sign up as a job seeker, meaning a person, finding employment. And we should be able to redirect as soon as we log in. And we're able to be redirected to a portal-like page in where there is a search bar that shows many different jobs where job seekers can apply. As you can see, you click on any job and they render with a view. As far as the image is concerned, job seekers do have the ability to change that image. And if we would like, we can go to the company page of said job. And in this company page, it not only shows the feed and updates, but it also shows the different jobs, right? And we have also an about section. So if we can go back, and we would like to use the sidebar to go to the user profile. In this user profile, we're able to upload our resume. We're able to change certain aspects of the job seeker's settings to best fit the job seeker. So in a future video, we'll be showing our resume parser, and where the parser is able to take things away from the resume and import it into the website, which was a whole nother feature that we need to exclude and make a video in itself. Okay, so we're gonna log out. And now we are gonna register as a company page. As you can see, we go back over here and register, perfect. We're able to sign up. As you can see, if there's any errors to be made, or if there's any things to be, any spaces to be filled, the website will acknowledge that. So we just created the company profile. And as you can see, this is the company page. It's fully customizable in the sense that you'll be able to edit not only your name, but also your image profile. and your banner. We can also add a job. And in here, companies will be able to go and post whichever job they would like, as Malachi is showcasing. We're also able to enter a location, as far as a calendar and a start time and end time of the job. It's very important to add your salary. These are things that are essential in posting a job. Also, the US authorization required, right? So we made an error and we didn't put a correct location, but that's okay. And as you can see, he posted the job and it renders in the company page. Okay, so I would like to discuss this project a bit more on the side of like what we used and what stack we used. We mainly went with, for the backend, Postgres, and we used the Django framework to do the project. As far as the front end is concerned, we use JavaScript, we use your basic HTML and CSS along with Sass and Bootstrap. And this is an extremely ambitious project. And it's the complexity level of this project is it's high in the sense that there's so many features to deliver, you know, and there's so many things that we need to include in a very short amount of time. So I do believe we had a little more time, we would have been able to implement a lot more features. If anybody else would like to discuss in regards to the back end and how that was done.
I guess the complexity was very high considering there was two different types of users that needed to be implemented, and then each have their own set of actions and functions that they do.
Right, yeah, we needed two different types of users. We needed two for everything. And um, it became in the sense of really just meshing and gluing things together. That's what we had our most difficulty. But overall, I do feel like the project delivers. And I'm hoping for the Capstone 1 guys, they're able to continue this project and better it. Okay, with that being said, I believe we are finished. Is there anything else anybody else would like to say? Okay, so we are done.